Hi, I'm Tom D, and in this video I want to show you how to store scripts in Elasticsearch and then how to use them in your ingestion pipeline. Let's start. To start Elasticsearch, provide the command to run container, and here you need to specify some port that you can connect later on to this Elasticsearch instance. Container is started right now. The second step is to set up the password for Elastic user. Run this one-liner that will set up the password, for example 123456. Password is set up, Elasticsearch is up and running. To create the script, create the new HTTP request, type HTTPS localhost, the port that you choose to run, and scripts. Now the type to put, body, raw, and JSON format. You need to specify the script name, let's say decode base 64, and here place your script. The language is painless. Basically it takes the field, check if it's not null, and if it's not null, it assigned the decode base 64 value to the target field. Let's send it. Set the authentication and send the script definition. There's acknowledge true. Important to notice is that this script is not executed at this moment. So if it contains some mistakes, for example, if you put, let's say, something that is doesn't make sense, for example, def, it still will be true because it's not validated. So you can put anything here. It's just to store the script. So this must be correct. This is also update. So if you want to change something in that script, you can use the same API call to update it. So make a change and just send it again. Now to decode hex, for example, you can change the name to decode hex, and you can place your new script. Here is using the loop to convert the hex in a string into the ASCII value, send it. So now also this script is stored. If you want to use these scripts in pipeline, you can duplicate this tab and change the API into ingest pipeline and name your pipeline. Decode hashes, for example. Authorization is the same, body. Change the body to the pipeline definition. This is the pipeline definition. Here is the name of the script that is stored and parameters that the script is taking. As you remember, there was a field and target field. So it will take the field from context and add a new field as a response. Decode hex has the same approach, but different names for fields. Let's send this. Acknowledge true. The pipeline is created. The next step is to load data through that pipeline. Duplicate tab. And you can create here the index name, for example, fruits. Type bulk, body, type to post, and here specify your records. That's the format. The first is document ID and second is a document content. Here you need to specify the parameter pipeline and put your pipeline name. Decode hashes. Execute. Remember to make a new line character at the end, otherwise it's this exception. So once again, the data is loaded. To check how data was processed, create a new tab Here is the fruits, you can leave that, and type _search. Type to get, body to none, and execute it. It returned all the records, all the documents, hex value for color, and decoded value. The same is for name, the base 64 and value that human can read. So you have all the fruits and decoded values using the pipeline and stored scripts. Remember to visit my blog toughcoding.net, where you can find the latest articles about the same content as was presented on videos, plus additional that you can use in your project. Just copy and paste. For example, you can learn how to send image through the Elasticsearch. Thank you for watching this video. I am sure that you will use these examples and it will improve your project. Remember to subscribe if you want to see more such videos. Have a nice coding. Bye.